just remembered. Y'all know my homeboy GROOTMAN, eh? My homeboy GROOTMAN. We come from the same hood. We have, fun enough, we have never met physically. I don't remember us meeting physically. If we met physically, it was once, I think. Yeah, I think. So my homeboy GROOTMAN, eh? So GROOTMAN was the one putting pressure on all of us in Begersford. If you are from Begersford, you'd remember GROOTMAN in 2014. There was what we call celebs. So there was this people who were just famous on Facebook, loved by everyone. Facebook beef was quite interesting. So GROOTMAN used to be one of those people who were famous, you know, back in Facebook. So I was like, if I can get this guy's fame, he used to be a rapper by then. So if I can get this guy's fame, then it means people are gonna now start downloading my music, you know? It was like, you know what, I need to go for this method. So GROOTMAN has been putting pressure ever since. Yeah, GROOTMAN has been hustling, eh? Literally, he has been hustling. I'm just gonna leave it like that. But yeah, he's the one who was putting pressure on all of us to become celebs. Instagram didn't even exist in our lives. We didn't give a shit about Instagram by then. Sharp. So after that, I signed up for this auto likes thing. So I signed up for this auto likes thing, and then after I didn't know how it worked, and then finally I figured it out. So I've realized that you tell this auto like system, it's a website. You just click how many likes you want. I started with 100 likes, it gave me 100 likes. I was like 1,000, it gave me 1,000, 5,000. It gives you likes and comments automatically. But the catch is that your account is also being used to like other people's posts who are as desperate as you. So that was the catch with that system, right? So I started being famous. People started knowing me that, yo, it's that guy who gets 100 likes in 1 minute and 1,000 likes in 5 minutes and 10,000 likes in a day. But if you check those likes, if you click and check who liked that post, yeah, it was fucking Indians. Fucking Indians. But I wasn't doing it to become famous for no reason. I want you guys to understand where the hustling comes in now. I wasn't doing it to become famous for no reason. I was doing it because I wanted people to give me attention and download my music. That's all I ever fucking wanted. Like, I just wanted people to download my music. What was so hard about people downloading my music? Sharp. I'm a hustler. Remember, if you call me a liar, that is your problem. Go and address it with your father. I'm a hustler. I am a hustler. I repeat. If you would say I am a liar, go wake up your father now and tell him that, boy, we need to discuss, coach. Go and wake him up now and discuss it. Now I'm a hustler. I didn't do it for fame. I did it so people can fucking download my music, because people didn't give a shit about my music. People didn't even give a shit about me, for heaven's sake. So I had to make a plan. I got that system. Now people started paying attention to my music. You know, I started getting a little recognition. Real following was coming. You know, fake it till we make it vibes. We've all been there. Jay-Z has been there. Drake, everyone, name them, Oprah, they've all been there. You know what the fucking difference is? The difference is they will never tell you about the crazy shit that they've done, because they care about their reputation. Now I don't have a reputation. Everyone thinks I'm a scammer already, so I might as well say whatever that I want, you know, because, I mean, what's the use of trying to get respect out of minions? Either way, so fuck it. Respect me or not, fuck it. Sharp. After that, people are now engaging in my content. That was my life 2014. It was all about being a celeb, auto likes, fake likes, and all that shit, fake comments. I used to hustle, all in the name of my music. Now that is the difference between me and you. When I no more you want to be famous for on Instagram. For what? You want to be famous for what? You want to be famous and gain what? Do you have a plan? If you are famous, what is it that you're going to sell? If you are famous, what is it that you're going to promote? What is your plan? You just want fame. For what? No, I had a plan. I had a plan. That is the difference between you and me. I had a plan that once I'm famous, I'm going to make sure that I push my music and people will love it whether they like it or not. Now back to 2013.